Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wix Store, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Wix Store, first, log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard of your website. On the left-hand side, locate and click on Apps. In the Apps section, search for Wix Stores if it's not already listed. Click on Wix Stores to open the app. If you haven't added it yet, click on Add to Site to install the app. Once installed, return to your dashboard and click on Site to access your website settings. Look for the Store option in the menu and click on it. You will see various settings. Select Settings to configure your store. In the Settings menu, enable the Online Store option to turn on your store. Next, choose your payment methods by clicking on Payment Methods in the settings. Set up your preferred payment providers like PayPal, credit cards, or other options available. After configuring payment, click on Shipping to set up your shipping methods. Select your preferred shipping options and rates that suit your business. Once shipping is configured, return to the store settings to add products. Click on Products and then Add New Product to start listing your items. Fill out the necessary details for each product, including images, prices, and descriptions. When you're done adding products, save your changes. Finally, return to the dashboard and click on Publish to make your store live. Your Wix store is now activated and ready for customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.